Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve TikTok network problem. So let's get into it. First, restart the TikTok app. On your phone, tap to open settings. Select apps and notification. In the list, find and select TikTok. Then tap Force Stop. Second, check internet connection. Weak data or Wi-Fi signal can also impact your experience on TikTok. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data to troubleshoot whether or not the issue is related to connectivity. Number 3. Clear app cache. To clear your cache, open Settings. Select Apps and Notification. In the list, find and select TikTok. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.